Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Ton from Binance to Tonkeeper. Alright, so once you've opened up Binance, head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, click on the withdraw option from the overview or any of the other accounts like spot and funding. So click on withdraw crypto. Use the search icon at the top of the screen to search for Ton. Click on send via crypto network once you've located your Ton. You're asked to provide an address. The network has been entered automatically, and then you provide the memo and you enter the withdrawal amount. There's a gas fee here or network fee of 0.02 Ton with a minimum withdrawal of 0.5. So watch out for that. Minimize and open up the Tonkeeper. Once you've opened up Tonkeeper, click on receive and then simply copy your Ton address. Once you've copied your Ton, minimize and open up Binance again. Paste the address you copied on Binance. There was no memo, so we're not going to be putting in any memo. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and then simply click on send or withdraw, and your tokens will be withdrawn from the Binance application to your Tonkeeper wallet, where all you need to do is just simply reload. So guys, comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.